Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Demaris Jenga and I am so happy to create yet another interesting video. So today I am joined by interesting
Margarita OYARO here.
Yes, Margarita.
Diana, Forbidden Fruit here.
Wow, they're Kenyan YouTubers. I'm gonna link their videos down below. So today we're going to be talking about an interesting topic. I'm yet to tell them what it is about. And yeah, let's get the surprise together, but you guys already know from the title. So today we're going to be talking about Menstrual Day. If you didn't know, we celebrate Menstrual Day in the month of May, and so that's why we are creating this video. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is how was your experience the first time you had your period and the drama that came along with it.
Okay, so my first time was not dramatic again because first of all, I had waited forever, like I got my first period after high school, a year after high school. So it was long overdue. I had waited, I had gotten tired of waiting. I was those people who used to feel a pain, like a sharp pain in your stomach. It could be bad food, but I'm like, no, it's that day today. So I would wait, and then I could count countless numbers of times I have done that and they never came. And I thought something was wrong with me, but I kept, waiting. And I would ask my mom, and my mom would be like, just be patient. Or, we can go to the hospital. I'm like, no, let's just be patient, let's be patient. So anyway, they came after my high school, and it was not dramatic because I was waiting on them like so long. So by the time I saw sporting, I was like, finally, Jesus, it's that day, thank you, So yes.
Okay, as for me, I had also waited for mine, but not for so long. They came when I was in Form 2, that period of, what do you call it, puberty, or in Form 2, there's a lot of pressure, peer pressure. Everyone is getting at me like, why have I not gotten my menses? My mates, my cube mates, my classmates were asking me like, girl, are you okay? Are you even a woman? Like, why are you not receiving your periods? But it came. They finally came, though with some pain. I did not know that they come with pain, so I was not prepared in that part. And when I got the pains, I did not know they were coming. I rushed to the hospital because I thought maybe it's an infection or what. So I went to see a doctor, and my doctor was like, okay, how old are you? Do you have your periods? I'm like, no, not yet. So he gave me a day or two to go and wait. If they hadn't come, then I could come back for another checkup. But I was leaving the doctor's place, I felt like, oh, there's something happening to me like that is not normal. So when I went to check, they were finally here, and I was so happy that they were here that I felt that urge of going and shouting to those girls like, they're finally here, like, we are finally on the same page. So I was so happy.
Yeah, so my story is, I remember my mom really did a good job teaching me about menstrual education. So by the time I was going to class 6 boarding, I used to carry a lot of pads because you never know, anytime. So I remember teaching a few of my dormmates how to use pads because they studied their menses and how to go about putting on that thing, Yeah, so, but I had not begun my periods. But I remember in class 8, I was at home having guests, and people are excited, but I was in pain and I was struggling. I didn't know what is going on. Going to the loo, I just found some messy stuff and I had my periods. But after that, it delayed. It paused for like a year. I later on started getting my periods again in Form 2. To a point, it surprised me. Could I be pregnant? And I didn't know, like maybe, So, so finally I got my periods. It was not a surprise. By then, so many people had already rolling. So it was something normal for me, yeah. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is, what is something you wish someone told you before you started your periods?
I wish they told me that these periods come with a package of pain, like those cramps, mood swings, as in they just bring me down. I become a total different person. I just wish someone told me that these periods come with pain so that I can be prepared. And again, I have been asking myself, like, I know they come with pains, but each month they come with the pain. I'm like, this is new to me. What am I supposed to do? You know, they still bring me down. As much as I'm prepared for it, they still bring me down. The mood swings, the what, I just wish they told me.
I wish they told girls during this time you need to watch on your hygiene. Of course, you need to watch it every single day, but in this period, when this 3-4 days, 7 days for you, if it's 7, you need to be extra cautious about your hygiene because it's very noticeable. Like you could pass through, you know, and someone could smell it from you. A scent could come out from you. So I wish they told ladies how to be hygienic during this period and how to take care of their bodies during this period. Yes.
Okay, for me, I wish I was told that my rate of going to the loo to pee and to poo would increase, and the consistency of that poo would lighten, and it would somehow be kind of a diarrhea or something. It was a surprise for me, and it happens like all these times. And it is most times when you're having pain and you go to the loo, it kind of gives you a small relief, and the pain kind of is relieved a little bit, not so much, and you feel better. So that is something I didn't know until I got to experience with having my own menses, you know. Yeah. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about is menstrual health. What is some tips that we can get from these ladies about our menstrual health and our lifestyle and how we can improve that period when we are having our menses?
As for me, I can tell you girls that if you want to deal with that pain, just try as much as you can to do exercises frequently. I have noticed that when you do exercises, when you work out, and during that time, the pain is not as much as when you're just there sitting waiting for them, like it's just dormant. You know, our body can work miracles. So if you tune it to an exercise routine, I know the pain will not be as much as when you're just there waiting. So exercise a lot.
I would say during this period, so many people don't watch over their hygiene. So I would advise, personally, I clean myself with water. Like when I go to pee, I clean myself, and it's, you know, like this is discharge you remove that is not so smelling very nice. So you need to clean off every single time. So if you can get vaginal wipes, get me right, I said vaginal wipes, don't just go using any wipes because the pH down there does not go with normal wipes. That's why they specifically make the vaginal wipes for the pH is right with down there. So you can use the vaginal wipes if it's too expensive or you cannot access it. You can use water before you wipe yourself with a tissue. You can use water, clean yourself, let it smell good, and then wipe yourself just to dry it off, yeah?
Yeah, wow. Those are good tips. And to add on to that, I'd say every lady, you should always ensure you wipe yourself from front to back and never from back to front. This will help you avoid some infections like UTI, yeast infections, because they are all transferred among those 3 holes around that area. So yeah, so let's take care of our hygiene, change pads, do everything you can, take many baths as you can, and enjoy being smelling nice and being fresh around that period of your menses. So we're going to be talking about our opinion in terms of what we use for our periods, because there are many things you can use. You can use menstrual cup, you can use tampons, and you can use pads. And then we're going to be hearing what is best recommended.
Okay, as for me, I can say that just use what you feel you're comfortable with, because we are different. You know, I might use a tampon, but she might not want to use it because she's not comfortable using it. And I have heard about the menstrual cups. I think once you know how it is used, you go through that tutorial. I know you can like it, but just go with what you're comfortable.
I have tried tampons and I have tried the normal pads. I feel comfortable with the normal pads, yeah? I feel comfortable with Cortex, to be precise. Always, I'm sorry, like you guys, I get infections because of using always every single time, and I don't want to go through 3 days of, depression, and then after that, I have infection to deal with. Like, I just want it to end in peace till the next month, and it's very uncomfortable having an infection down there, so always need to work on their pads. This is not an ad for them or an ad for Cortex, but I prefer using Cortex because their pads they're scented, yes, but there's not as strongly scented as Always, because Always you could pass here and I would know you have it on. Like, it's too scented, it's just everything they need to work on. But I prefer Cortex, and I'm really uncomfortable with tampons. I would not use them even if I was given for free. I've tried it, doesn't work for me, so just go with what you feel is better for you and your body and also your flow, because using I have been hearing friends saying how they would use like 2 Cortex because their flow is heavy. So Cortex needs to work on that, but otherwise use what is comfortable with you and also what doesn't give you an infection, what takes care of your body. So yeah.
Okay, that is true. I was still Always for a long time until I got the review from very close people about their problems and the infections that they're getting after using those pads. So I shifted to Team Cortex too, and they're doing a good job. I love, just that I wish they could take in more, but anyway, whatever. Yes, thank you so much. Let me ask them a random question. Are you ready? Would you swim while rolling?
No.
Yeah, but I would need to use a tampon. I have done that so many times before, but using a tampon and I feel comfortable just when swimming. But normally when I'm walking or working or doing something, I'm not comfortable with tampons.
Yes. So I just wanted to answer that because I have friends are always like, let's go swim, and they're like, no, I can't go swim because I'm rolling. Another fact that you didn't know is that your menses tend to stop bleeding once you're in the water. So I personally go with nothing and I'm cool with it, but make sure immediately after the swim it's on. Yes, because
Anyway guys, what I am saying or we are saying is check out the videos we did on their channel in the description box below, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Then this is a blooper. You're gonna see how much fun we had.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Damaris Jenga and I am so excited to do this video. I hope you're having a good time wherever you're watching me from, and
You know, they can go for the blue.